You've spent too much time understanding the data, talking with the customer, to let Tableau ruin it with their default settings. I want to show you how you can improve your dashboard without having to be a data ninja, use complex calculations, or understanding data joins and data blends. Stop using Tableau's default settings. Before we go too much further, I want to say thank you to my Patreon supporters. They're scrolling across right now. Thank you guys. Love the interaction. First, move the color legend from the right-hand side. Tableau, as a default, puts the filters and the legend on the right-hand side of your dashboard. Move the color legends especially closer to the actual chart that they're related to. That way the user doesn't have to go all over the dashboard to find the information they need. Plus, the added benefit is you may clear up that whole right-hand side and get some additional real estate. Number 2, change the colors. Tableau has default colors and you've seen them all over the place. This simple change will not only differentiate you from other dashboards, but it will help communicate your message better by making the right message pop with the color. Number 3, the chart titles. Tableau as a default uses the worksheet name as the chart title. And while the worksheet names may be very relevant when you are dealing with lots of different worksheets, it's not very relevant and can be confusing to the user. Number 4, and this might be controversial, I like to have a big header on the top of all my dashboards so that the user understands what they're looking at and kind of serves as a focal point for the rest of the dashboard. And then 5, create some separation between the charts on the dashboard. This is something I didn't understand at the beginning. The user wants to be able to understand what they're looking at, and when everything is blurred together with white background, it's hard for them to decipher what they're looking at. You can either put a border around them, or you can put a color, and that's what you're seeing here is I put a color on the background, and so the shading of the charts creates that separation. So those are 5 action items that you can use today to level up your game. And I'm leaving a couple links to other videos where I discuss other design concepts. I hope you'll check those out as well.